Looking for the perfect tool to keep your lawn edges neat and tidy? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best cordless weed eater in this year options that combine power, convenience, and durability, making your yard work faster and easier than ever. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Worx Cordless Weed Eater. The Worx Cordless Weed Eater is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile and efficient lawn tool. This 2-in-1 design quickly converts from a string trimmer to an edger, making it easy to handle both trimming and edging tasks with a single tool. The innovative command feed spool system allows for instant line feeding at the push of a button, so you can work without interruptions. Plus, Worx offers free spools for life, adding to the value. The head tilts 90 degrees, which means you can easily work on sloped terrain or reach tricky spots without straining. Rubberized wheels help guide the edger for straighter lines, while the adjustable spacer guard ensures you won't accidentally damage plants, landscape features, or ornaments. Performance-wise, it delivers a powerful 7,600 RPM no-load speed with a 12-inch cutting diameter, yet it weighs only 5.3 pounds, making it lightweight and comfortable to use. The 10-foot cutting line and 0.065-inch diameter are ideal for regular yard work, and with two 20V max lithium batteries included, you can power through your tasks without worrying about running out of juice. These batteries are also compatible with all Worx 20V and 40V tools, so you can expand your tool collection without buying extra batteries. The kit includes the trimmer/edger unit, 2 batteries, a charger, trimmer spool, support wheels, and safety guard, everything you need to get started. Whether you're maintaining a small yard or tidying up a larger garden, the Worx Cordless Weed Eater is designed to offer precision, convenience, and durability. Its ergonomic design, powerful performance, and tool-sharing battery system make it a smart investment for homeowners who want a professional-looking lawn without the hassle of cords or gas. Overall, it strikes a great balance between power, portability, and user-friendly features, making yard work quicker, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Number 2. LPSUK Cordless Weed Eater. The LPSUK Cordless Weed Eater is a highly functional 2-in-1 trimmer and edger designed to provide clean, professional-looking yard results with minimal effort. Switching between trimming and edging modes is quick and simple. Just press a button, and the adjustable head transforms to match your needs. It comes equipped with a grinding wheel that helps create precise, straight lines along sidewalks, flower beds, and boundaries, giving your yard a well-groomed finish. This model stands out for its battery setup. 2.0Ah batteries and a fast charger are included, allowing you to fully recharge in just 1 hour and 20 minutes. This means extended run times and the ability to tackle larger jobs without frequent pauses. The telescopic shaft adjusts from 38 to 49 inches, accommodating users of varying heights and reducing back strain. An adjustable 60 degrees head and 180 degrees handle make it easy to maneuver into tight or awkward spaces. With an 8,000 RPM motor and a 12-inch cutting diameter, it delivers solid power for large-scale trimming tasks, and it comes with 8 replacement spool lines to keep you going. The automatic line feed system adds another level of convenience, detecting line length and adjusting it automatically, so you never have to stop to manually fix it. This feature, combined with its powerful motor and ergonomic build, makes it well-suited for all-around lawn care, whether you're dealing with tough weeds, overgrown edges, or regular maintenance. The build quality feels sturdy, yet remains lightweight enough for comfortable handling during extended sessions. Number 3. JAGROM Cordless Weed Eater. The JAGROM Cordless Weed Eater delivers impressive performance and versatility, functioning as both a trimmer and an edger with a simple angle or shaft adjustment. This 2-in-1 cordless string trimmer features an integrated wheel for smoother edging and can easily adapt to different gardening needs. Its powerful 9,500 RPM motor and 12-inch cutting width ensure quick and effective yard work, whether you're tackling thick weeds or tidying up garden borders. The package includes 2.0Ah lithium-ion batteries and a charger, offering around 40 minutes of total run time, more than enough for most yard projects. Storage and portability are made easier with a foldable shaft that adjusts 180 degrees in 3 directions, along with a 90 degrees adjustable cutting head and 180 degrees handle for custom trimming angles. The ergonomic design allows for comfortable, prolonged use, while the adjustable features make it easier to reach awkward spots. Assembly is quick and beginner-friendly, with minimal steps before it's ready to go. The automatic spool feed system ensures you don't have to pause mid-task for manual adjustments. If the line breaks, simply restart, and it ejects automatically. JAGROM also provides 8 extra spools and spindle cover, so replacements are always on hand. Number 4. Houselife Cordless Weedeater. The Houselife Cordless Weedeater stands out with its 3-in-1 design, functioning as a trimmer, edger, and mower in one lightweight tool. Please note, this model is sold as a tool-only option, meaning no battery is included. It's compatible with dewalt 20V Max lithium-ion batteries, so existing dewalt users can integrate it seamlessly into their toolkit. Powered by an 8,500 RPM motor and featuring a 12-inch cutting swath, it offers precise, consistent trimming with an auto feed line system for uninterrupted work. The upgraded copper motor is both powerful and quiet, making it ideal for residential use without disturbing the neighborhood. Its ergonomic design includes an adjustable handle, rotating pole, and customizable cutting angles for optimal comfort and control. This makes it suitable for tight spaces, uneven terrain, and both small and large yards. The detachable build ensures easy storage and transport. In addition to the trimmer, the package includes a cordless leaf blower weighing just 3 pounds without battery. This blower uses axial fan technology to deliver 400 CFM at 130 miles per hour, perfect for quickly clearing driveways, patios, and lawns. The combination of trimmer and blower means you can trim, edge, and clean up all in one go, creating a polished, well-maintained outdoor space. The anti-slip handle and one-button operation make it comfortable to use, even for longer sessions. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Cordless Weedeater. The BLACK+DECKER Cordless Weedeater is a reliable and versatile tool that doubles as both a string trimmer and a wheeled edger. Switching between modes is effortless, and the 180 degrees rotation allows you to handle different tasks with ease. The adjustable height and soft grip handle provide comfort and control, making extended yard work less tiring. Its AFS automatic feed spool system ensures continuous line feeding without the need to bump, so you can maintain steady progress. This kit is particularly appealing because it includes both the trimmer/edger and a cordless sweeper, giving you the ability to tidy up clippings, leaves, and debris from driveways, sidewalks, and patios. Both tools operate quietly, reducing noise during use, and they are lightweight. The trimmer weighs just 4.5 pounds, and the sweeper only 3.7 pounds, making them easy to maneuver. The package comes with two 1.5 20V Max Power Connect batteries, which can be shared across other BLACK+DECKER tools for added convenience. With a debris-clearing blower and a high-performing trimmer/edger in one set, it's a practical solution for homeowners who want a clean, well-maintained yard without the hassle of cords. The quality build, comfortable handling, and brand reliability make this cordless Weedeater set a solid investment for everyday lawn maintenance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.